if it is extremely stubborn and you have tried everything and this is the second time I put Loctite and it's still leaking, so this is the solution: a G-cam clamp and a tool like this, pipe wrench. You can put it onto the side of a table or a desk, but this way you have more power on a small stool, making sure that when you clamp it you don't damage it. You can see I'm not squashing the plastic buttons or anything, so step on it with one leg and then in this way I can use two hands with the tool. That's it. I already done it, so you can see all along it was pretty hard, but I managed it. It's done now. Let's see if it leaks now.